dum dum dun dum dum dun dum dum. Click subscribe to Filza's Miniature World. Click all bell button for getting all video notification. Take 2 spoons of yeast and 1 spoon of sugar. Add water and let it ferment for some time. And now mix well all together. Close the lid and keep it aside. Let it ferment. Take 1 cup of flour. Add salt. Mix well. And add the fermented yeast. Look at the yeast. Let's put it in a bowl. Let's mix it. So now the dough is ready. We have to keep the dough a while. Then it will twice the size. After half an hour, you can see the double the size. So let's put the plate a little oil so it can be slippery, it will not stick in it. The dough is ready for baking. Make it around for a burger. Roll it straight for miniature bread. Cut it eventually and roll it for pav bhaji. Look at the tiny pieces. The pav is going to be get ready. I like baking with small miniature things. If you like baking in miniature things, please comment below. Grease the dough with the oil so it can have fluffy. Preheat the oven because I done it already. So it's too hot. Be careful. Let's put the buns. Pop, bun, and bread. Ooh, look at that. It's getting baking. Wow. Look, it's getting hot. Wow. Can you see? Look, it's also soft. I told you when you put the oil, it will get very soft and squishy. Click subscribe and click the bell button to get notification. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, and share in comments.